Hello everybody, Rocky here. Welcome back to Tales of Fantasia. Right now, I'm going to Olson ang I'm going to the Euclid where the uncle of Kles resides.
母さんに言われた通り、ユークリッドに行ってモルソおじさんの村のことを話せ。
Okay, 18. Yatta! Okay. Am I going here? Holy. Huh? A statue? How did it get to the middle of the mountain? Pass like this. To be able to lift, but I should be able to push and pull it around. Okay. 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 Thorough preparation is essential for travel. Would you like to buy something? I would like 3 please. Careful out there. Okay. Okay. Ow. Okay. I should need to go there later. Yeah, by the way, I've been uploading a lot of shorts on arcade style games like Puzzle Bubble, Rainbow Islands, Bubble Bubble, the FDS, because I can't save on MAME. Plus I don't know what is the buttons on MAME. That's why, like, let's use the the Famicom Disk System version. That's why right now I think I'm going to play it alone. Get the bad ending though. That's what I played back in the day. Bad ending always. Then next was, I think, Snow Brothers. I think that's the next game I'm going to play. I'm going to create a video with Snow Brothers game. But what is the best version though? Is it the Mega Drive or Famicom? Sorry about the when I say Famicom and Mega Drive, because that's my consoles back in the day. For you Westerners, NES, Genesis, like that, SNES like that. Mine was Mega Drive. Mostly it's Japanese. That's what I use. That's what I have back in the day. But we have Sega Saturn. Then we have the same name in the 32-bit era. The Sega Saturn, PlayStation 2, like that. Then Dreamcast as well. That's what I have back in the day. But right now, it's pain in the ass to to have those things because it's very expensive to have in the Philippines. I know it's very old system now, but still expensive. That's why I can play it on I can play I can play it on original hardware. So which means I can only play it on emulator. So I am sorry about it. So for now, emulator it is on the phone. But when I have enough money, I think I will buy a all the PC parts, I think. Oh, you've been watching your battles, your surroundings during battle, haven't you? Yes. Good. That's the first step. However, if you're watching only your immediate surroundings, victory is uncertain. Ow! Okay. And I am thinking to play Suikoden. Genso Suikoden. Sorry for the Japanese version. I call it Suikoden. Genso Suikoden. Then for you Westerners, Suikoden. So yeah. Oh, what? Convenient travel supplies. Put a gel on your traveling bag. I come here for the widest variety of gels in all of the kingdom. Okay, mamaya. Ay, later. May Filipino blood. Oh. Okay. Let's grind. Okay, I know where to go now. Okay, let's go. Wait, what? Okay. That was stupid. Okay. Wait. I really need... Okay. Let's go here. No. Okay. Okay. Dead. I should grind for a little bit of level 4 so I can fight a little bit longer. Wait. How to use arts? How to use those? Okay. Okay, dead. Northwestern Soul. Oh, wait, how many percent? Oh! Okay, let's master it. Okay. Okay, Euclid din. Ah, what the hell? Okay. Welcome to Mario. Oh, something wrong, sir? Well, a bush baby snuck up behind you. Behind you. Huh? Not again. That animal belongs to the owner of the baby general store. But goodness, he's so sneaky. How did he get here in this time? Okay, I will not go. Oh, oops, wrong. Northwestern here. Okay. If okay. It's better than nothing, I guess. I give up. My bush baby has started causing trouble again. I had to put him on a leash, but I have to do something about this. So anyway, welcome. What can I do for you? Okay. Thanks. Welcome. The checkout counter is right over there. Thank you. And round and round and round they go. Where did he learn how to do that? The juggler is so cool. Wow, this guy is awesome. Where did he learn his tricks? Baha, he's so fun. Cool. Is he a circus person? Oh yeah. Ho ho ho, I love me some zombies. I hope he means jugglers. Oh, that's right. I saw something interesting a few days ago, and I kept going in and out of the Olson's place. I wonder what that was all about. Ah, yeah. There you go, dead. Woo! Kulit. Oh man. Ives your hair, bro. Where'd you come from? Duplicate castle, okay. Hey, Uncle Olson, are you home? Please. Uncle Olson and Aunt Joan, it's good to see you two again. You seem to be doing well, please. However, I've gotten word that Totus was attacked. Is true? It's true, Mom and Dad, they were. So the rumor was true after all. Yeah, please don't lose heart, please. You can stay at our house for now. I don't want to be I don't want to be a burden. Perish the thought. You're facing some hard times. We're here for you. Thank you very much. There you go, Dad. Uncle Olson's house. Cheer up, class. It'll be okay. We'll take care of you. You must be exhausted. Why don't you get some shut-eye? Yes. Okay. Another cutscene. That night. Conclusion, what's going on? I'm sorry, I didn't want to do this. But if I lied to them, they would have seen through it, and Euclid would have suffered the same fate as Totus. Forgive me for coming with us. Keep your mouth shut and move quickly. They're doing move. Forgive me, please. What? Do you still have some other business with me? No, no way. Nothing personal. Stop, please don't. Well, I guess Ami someone's coming. Could you get out of this? I'm gonna get my revenge for you. The hell, dude? Pure typical villain castle, eh. Demons and everything. Sir, we have returned with the son of Miguel Alvine as ordered. Splendid. So it was the hands of a little brat like this. You're the one who attacked the village, aren't you? So what if I was? What could you hope to do about it? Tips quick. Ugh. Give that back. This pendant is mine now. You disarm this runt into the dungeon. Only one thing left and final. Holy sh. Oh man. It's with his reflection. Getting there. Move it. If you don't want me to slit your sabulated throat, then you'll do as we say. Damn it. Out. Just make trouble. Can bend the bars with my bare hands. Can you hear my voice? Huh? Did I just hear Owen's voice? Her voice is coming from this soul. Her hand. Who are you? Her hand. Please put it through the hole. I want to help you. Okay. I'm alien. Hold it against the wall. Afterward, I beg you to save the girl held captive in the cell nearby. Together, I'm sure we will be able to escape this place. Wait a minute. Who are you? Please. Guess all I can do is to bring what she said. Try. You can get out now. I will give that person my thanks. What then? What was that warm hand I felt? She was run through with your sword. How awful for a sword. I'm so sorry. Please rest in peace. For that. Again. 10 members from my parents. Sorry. These are the robes of the cleric who could do such a thing. Force the cell door open with the long sword. Okay, battle axe. I hope I can use that. Yeah. Quite some cheese. You're alright? Have you been hurt? Don't be afraid, I have come to help you. My name is Casalva and it's yours. I am Mint Adnate. Thank you very much for saving me, Mr. Alvin. Well, they captured me too. I broke out of my cell just a few moments ago. We should escape from this place together. We can't stay here together we can't stay here any longer. They're going to find us. Please wait. I bet we must save my mother before we go. She should be in one of the cells on the other side. Huh? That's where I was locked up, but I didn't see anyone else on my way though out. But no more time. Come on, hurry. But I'm sure I heard my mother's voice. She told me to be strong. I'm certain it was my mother. Forgive me, Mint, but we can't go there anymore. We'll be caught if we debate this any longer. Understand? Yeah. She doesn't know that I know this will stop to death. She finds out that now her heart will be crushed. She doesn't see that for hindsight. God dang it. This connects to the waterway. Do we have a way of getting this past this bars? Yeah. Okay, nice. Now, let's get out. Well done, Mr. Alvin. Just rearm himself with a long sword. Okay. Mint has joined the party. Mint can support less in battle with her clerical arts. She will use them automatically, but if you need her to use specific one right away, select it manually from match menu. If there are any arts you don't want her to use, you can restrict her from using them. While in the arts menu, move the curse. Okay, she's on. It. Okay. Okay, there you go. X, okay. What's this glowing symbol thing? It's a memory glyph. It is a memory glyph. So what's it do? If you stand up upon it, the things you've experienced will remain as residual memories. Ow. Okay. Channeling ring. Technical ring. Eh. Ay, what? Ay, did I? There you go. God damn it, dude. Really? There you go. Okay. Okay. Eh. There you go, did. New art. Okay, what was that new art? Apple gel. Okay, thank you. Okay, dead. Yatta. They really. Okay. I always remember this game. Oh, forever though. Hey. Okay. After this, I'm going to edit it again. I hope. Thank you first. Okay. Nice. Good. Congrats. Uy. Okay. Oh dear. Oof. Okay, nice, 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 nice. I got it. Nice. Savory. Oh, rapier. So, ay, no. Trust. Okay, you need to eat. God dang it. Oh my god, okay. You naive fools thought you could escape. You won't take another step. Okay. There you go. Dead. Oh, nice. Nice. New level. you retrieve your stolen weapons. So i okay, outside. We should be far enough to avoid being caught. Behind you, Mint. Ah, Mr. Alvin. I shouldn't have lowered my guard. Mr. Alvin, please hang in there. Mr. Alvin. Oh no, are they after us? You have to get away. Are you alright? Where am I? You're in my residence. My name is Trinicus de Morrison. I was poisoned. Did you save me, sir? Well, something like that. Thank you very much. Your name is this correct? That's what I heard from your body at least. And the young lady told me your hiring escaped prior to arriving here. That's about it. I just wanted to fill you in on the circumstances. Oh, you have awakened Mr. Alvin. I'm so glad. Ah, yes, remember to thank her properly. Don't be fooled by her delicate frame. She was carrying you to safety when I found you. Mr. Morrison, I really do appreciate it. I mean, it's I anyway, Mr. Alvin, you should eat this to help you feel better. Wow, this tastes great. I could eat it every day. Could you please teach me the recipe? Okay, nice. Also, you should hold on to this monster book. Okay. Wow, Mr. Morrison certainly has an interesting collection, doesn't he? I'm sure it will be helpful. Haha, before you take a look at the book, why don't you go out and get some fresh air and to help you wake up? Ah, that sounds good. Okay, dang it. There you go. Wow. Is it about you woke up, man? Chester, you're here too. I believe I mentioned that your body already told me your name. Or did you not catch that? Mr. Morrison showed up at the village shortly after you left. Must have just missed him. Thanks to him, we were able to give the villagers proper burials faster than I thought. So that's what happened. But what brought you to the village, Mr. Morrison? I was on the trail of a man in Black Armor. If I had learned of him just a bit sooner, I might have been able to to help protect everyone. But even with Miguel there, what an atrocity. They went after Maria too. Such a shame. He knew both of my parents. Yes, they were old friends of mine. Mariel is the name of this young lady's mother. I knew her as well. Probably better than any of you did. Mother. By the way, class, Miguel should have had a jewel of which he took great care. Do you have any idea where it might be? He gave me something like that, a necklace containing a jewel for my birthday a couple years back, but oh, they have it with you now? Well, you see, it was stolen from me. Did you say? Just before they threw me in a cell, a man in the armor yanked it from my neck. What's so special about the jewel? Anyway, how could this have happened? We're losing every advantage we had. This isn't good. I must go to the mausoleum. The rest of you should wait here until I return. Hold it. Is that where the man in the armor went? I'll go with you. Please let us avenge our families. Forget it. Oh, come on. Please, sir. As you are now, you will be nothing but a burden to me. As if you know what we're capable of. Please give us a chance. Have you ever bested Miguel in a duel? Well, I apologize if I allowed you to die because of those pendants. Could never face my old friends again. So, for heaven's sake, please don't be selfish about this. What should we do now? I don't know. I don't know about you guys, but I say screw what Morrison said. Sit here and dwindle up my thumbs are until he gets back like hell. You're being awfully quiet, Les. I'm just going to sit you on your ass and wait here because someone else told you to. Think of the villagers. The hell, come on, man. We made a promise. Damn it. We promised we would avenge Totus together no matter what. What's wrong with you? Sure, Mr. Marshall just may be right. If we follow him, we may well end up joining our families. But this is a time when we have to stand up for ourselves and fight. Put your head up. Are you even listening? Please stop this, please. Boy, this place sure is noisy today. Hey Morrison, you home? Oh, what now? How's he gone up somewhere? Master Tristan, what are you doing here? Oh, young class. I go here to have a tea with Morrison pretty often. And what about you? What are you doing here? Well, the truth is, and that's the entire story. My, that's awful. And those cowardly rats even used Maria as a human shield against Miguel. Could it have been their people who pulled me away? Well, even if I had stayed in the village, a decrepit old man couldn't have done anything. So, Morrison said you'd just be in his way, you say? Yes. Ho ho ho. He's acting so big just because he can use some clerical arts. Mr. Morrison is a cleric as well? As well, huh? Oh, I see. You must be Meru's daughter. You look just like your mother. You'll be quite the fox. Oh, dang, Mr. Trista. Mr. Old Man. I am Master Roshi. Something I don't understand. Why do so many people recognize me than I? Would you really like to know? Yes, please. And about how we can avenge the village. Dude, yeah. Please. Perhaps Mr. Morrison was right. But I won't falter anymore. Masterpiece. Farewell. However, your equipment might not be quite up to the task. You should get some better gear from the peddler who just arrived. Once you're prepared, head to the cave to the southeast. I'll go ahead and wait for you there. Huh? Is something wrong, man? What's going on? The earring I got in the dungeon disappeared. It did fall out of my pocket. And that would have happened. Is something troubling you? Well, nakakagot. Let's go. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, everybody, and God bless. Bye bye.